In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the differences between the free and paid plans on the HubSpot CRM platform. Understanding these differences is critical for making an informed decision about which plan best suits your business needs. Let's dive in and take a closer look at what each plan offers and how you can explore them yourself. First things first, make sure you have your device connected to the internet. Then open a web browser and head over to the HubSpot pricing page. Specifically, you can use the region-specific link if you're accessing this from North America, which typically starts with appna2.hubspot.com. This is the starting point where you'll find a comprehensive overview of the available tools and pricing options provided by HubSpot. Once you're on the HubSpot pricing page, you'll see a list of options at different price points, including the free tools. This is where we'll begin our exploration. Go ahead and click on Free Tools. Doing so will allow you to view all the fundamental tools that HubSpot offers at no cost. These tools are perfect for small businesses or even startups that are looking to manage customer relationships without a heavy financial commitment. Now, if you're considering investing more into your customer relationship management, you'll want to take a look at the paid plans. Next, we'll explore the Starter Customer Platform. By clicking on this option, you'll unveil features that can significantly boost your marketing, sales, and service efforts. It's a low-cost entry for businesses ready to grow beyond the basics. Expanding on that, click on the Customer Platform. This option will give you a broader understanding of the variety of features accessible at a moderate price. It's ideal for companies experiencing steady growth and having more complex needs for managing customer interactions effectively. Looking to scale further? Let's check out the Professional Customer Platform. Clicking this will reveal even more advanced features specifically designed for businesses that need more robust tools to handle an expanding customer base. Finally, for larger organizations, click on the Enterprise Customer Platform. These are equipped with exceptional features tailored to support large teams and complex business structures, providing customization and enterprise-level integrations. Remember, as you're exploring these options, to take note of the benefits each plan provides because it's crucial to align them with your business goals. Additionally, pay attention to the highlighted sections on each plan page, as these will provide insights into key features and where they can fit into your strategy. Take your time to evaluate which set of tools you can leverage to achieve your marketing and CRM goals effectively. That's all for today's guide. Hopefully, this helps you understand HubSpot's array of offerings and assists you in determining the right path for your CRM needs. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.